my gosh. Okay, you know what? Hold on. Okay. Let's open one. Well, they're all exactly the same. These are 12-year lost 8Xs from the 1990s. Oh. Hey, where's the screw? Oh, it's probably somewhere else. Yeah, here it is. They used to have these at my Walmart that's near me. Then they got replaced. Like, they had these exact ones. Without the rounded edges. 1575. Yeah, this is from 1997. Okay. This one has the screws. Okay, I just got done sorting these by how old they are. This one and all 8 of these are from the 27th week of 1997. This one's from the 29th week of 1997. This one's from the 4th week of 1998. And then this one's from the 44th week of 2001. So yeah.